Hey guys, welcome back to my reaction for another reaction video. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hey guys, I really do appreciate you guys for coming back. Thank you guys so much. So we're back to get another video to CNCO, and this is the member Richard with his dance and vocal version video that someone put together. And let's see what he's going to give him, because you guys know I love me some Richard. Love me some Richard. I love what he's doing. Ah, is this lip syncing? Not lip singing, lip syncing? Ooh, Zabdiel. Oh, he was singing live for this one. I remember this. I love that blonde. Yes. He better sing for the gods. Sing for the gods. What? He better sing for the gods. He be dancing his ass off. He be dancing his ass off. Hey, 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 ah, ow, ah, 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 hey. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, 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 hey. Look at y'all. No comment. No comment. Hey, 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 back, hey. Oh, Michael Jackson must be inspiration to him. Come on. Okay. I remember someone sent me this on Instagram. Richard, stay over there, sir. Stay over there. When I see Richard, I always just think to my head like, wow, even you could have been the baby mama. No comment. DR. I really wanted to go take my trip there. I wonder if it's safe to go back there now, because I know people used to travel there and end up dying. But ooh, the islands. So that was a video to Richard from the group CNCO Dance and Vocals Lessons. Vocal videos from Richard. I will say this over and over again. Please go and support this group. I think this group is very talented. You may not like all their songs, but you can actually respect the craft that they give, the creativity that they give. So they released a new song, basically a new CD called Deja Vu album, giving a homage to basically famous boy bands before them, that they are inspired by. So I advise you guys to basically listen to their song, listen to the album, listen to their rendition, their interpretation, visually, everything. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.